Upshift. Downshift. What's up mga kap? Good morning. Alright, happy Sunday. So, what's up? Anong meron today? Alright, so as you guys know, yesterday nagpa-install tayo ng, actually the other day, Friday, nagpa-install tayo ng quick shifter. And today we're gonna test that out. Although we already used it and tested it, but today I wanted to show you things specifically about the quick shifter. So there, as you can see, I set up my Insta360 so that you can see my shifting, and at the same time yung clutch na rin if ever you wanted to see it. So let's see. Downshifting. Alright, so two-way siya. So you guys may ask, may auto bleep na ba siya? Wala po. Okay, yun lang po ang i-clarify natin. Wala po siyang auto bleep, but
Continue for 4 kilometers.
two-way siya, and pwede mo pa rin siyang gamitin to downshift. The only difference is kailangan may throttle ka, may gas ka ng konti. Okay, dapat may gas ka ng konti. Hindi siya kagaya ng auto blip na you don't have to. For this one, parang manual pa rin, semi-manual, semi-auto, however you wanna call it. Yun. But still, it's convenient, especially pag na-master mo na siya. I must admit, hindi pa ako ganun kasanay since I just got this nung Friday, not yesterday but nung Friday. But it's convenient, it's so fun to use. Sulit siya, nakakatawa siyang gamitin. What else? That's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward yung device eh. Pretty straightforward, ang dali ng installation. You have everything in the box, everything that you need in the box, which is not much to be honest. So yeah, very straightforward yung device. You get what you paid for, you get what was advertised. That's pretty much it. So today I'll just show you, how I'm using it, so you can have an idea if this is something that you've been thinking of getting. At least maybe I can help you guys out. Anyway, so I still use the clutch. Especially at low RPM and low speed, low gear. Alright, I usually just use it pag more than 3,000 RPM. Pag mabagal, I mean, there's really no need for you to use it unless sobrang excited ka pa siyang gamitin. Bago pa eh, di ba? Upshift. Upshift. Downshift. You see? Konting gas. Binibigyan ko siya ng konting gas to downshift. Isa pa, downshift. Diba? Para ka lang nag-rev match ng manual. I mean, manual pa rin naman siya, pero alam ko there are veterans there na kayang mag-rev match nang hindi na pinipindot yung clutch. Ako kasi hindi eh. I'm starting to learn. Upshift. Downshift. 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 Diba? Lalagyan mo lang ng konting gas. At first medyo nakakabobo siya, nakakatakot. But then once you get a hang of it, it's gonna be fine. Again, I must admit, di ko pa siya perfect, di ko pa siya master. Nagkakamali pa rin ako at this stage. But it's fun to use. Mga low speed na ganun, low gearing na ganun, I still use the clutch. Pasensya na pala kayo sa sapatos ko, mukhang madumi. Hindi ko na nalinis. Tinanghali tayong gising eh. Dapat kanina pa tayo nakalis eh. Anyway, let's go. Upshift.
Take the first exit to New Valley Boulevard.
Downshift. Ayun o. Again, I'm not using the clutch. Downshift. First to second, I still use the clutch 100%.
In the roundabout onto New Valley Boulevard.
Second to third, depende sa RPM.
New Valley Boulevard for 2 kilometers.
Angas ni tatay. Shit, di ko nakita. Upshift. Upshift. Downshift. One more. Upshift. One more. One more. One more. Downshift. Sumabla yung pababa ng segunda. See, I told you, I haven't mastered it yet. Hindi ko pa siya perfect, pero ayun, nakaka-enjoy lang siya. Dagdag laruan kumbaga. I still use the clutch. Mahirap naman yung masanay ka nang di ka nagka-clutch, diba?
Nature Avenue.
Tsaka hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon hindi mo siya kakailanganin eh. So
In 600 meters, turn left onto Santa Rosa to Gaytay Road.
let's go. Downshift. Downshift. Diba?
Take the next left onto Santa Rosa to Gaytay Road.
Ang happy. Anyway, saan ba tayo pupunta? Actually di ko rin alam eh. Siguro Fantasy World na lang.
On Santa Rosa to Gaytay Road for 15 kilometers.
Fantasy World, kape, and then pag maaga pa diretso tayong Kaipyang. Let's go. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it. Again, this should be a short video because the product itself is very straightforward. Shout out to Gaspoholic. Kay Gaspoholic ko nakuha to. Ouch. Shout out also kay Tam Tam of Reborn Motor House. Dyan sa 40 Afghanistan Street, Paranaque. Alright, siya yung nag-install nito, pati yung busina. Okay. Alright. So, if you guys have any other questions, any concerns, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Alright. Thank you so much mga kap. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Babush.